videos, I'm going to talk about the English calendars. So, let's get started. One year after another comes, and our worlds are occupied by new calendar. Just what worlds? We have calendars on our phones, tablets, and even pockets. Not today's goes without saying the date on the calendars. A calendar is a system of organizing days. This is done by giving names to periods of time, typically days, weeks, months, and years. Calendar, the word derived from the Latin calendar, meaning of the interest register and account. Calendar is a sub-derivation from calendar. Calendar are explained schemes used for timekeeping. The first historically understand formalized calendar to the dependent on the Bronze Age. But we do ever want to know about the origin of calendars? No. In these videos, we know about the history of calendars. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and click the bell icon to first getting updates. Till then, stay tuned for the next videos to know about the history of calendar.